The point is, neither I nor Japa want to make decisions for you. And neither should you be doing it for your downlines or for your children or anything of that nature. Ultimately, we have to choose our own path in life, inevitably. You can seek guidance from 100 people, by all means. You should. But having said that, you cannot transfer the weight of your decision to Japa. Whatever you choose to do, my friend, you choose to. And God has given you such a beautiful instrument. It is lying there, mostly unused in between your ears. Now, it allows you to rationalize. It allows you to reason. Ultimately, the concept that you and I practice, which is called dharma, which means there is a duty above all else. So that duty is to seek a nobler way of life. Are you with me? What is noble? What is good? This is something that changes from the time you were 5 years old, 10 years old, 25, 45. It just keeps changing your whole life. It has changed many times. So I'm not going to give you an easy answer. I will just say to you this. Please, use that facility that God has given you. Use the points that we have given you, which is always seek a neutral point of reference. You have listened to Japa, you have listened to me, listen to all these people. Use all of that. But ultimately, your life is 100% your own.